Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in again. If you are new to this channel, I want to say a very big welcome to you, and if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say a very big welcome to you as well. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to prepare chicken curry sauce. If you like this video after watching it, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get right into the video. You will be needing green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, spring onion and onion. You will be needing carrots as well, chicken chest, spices and corn flour for thickening the sauce. In order to prep for our chicken, the first thing we do is to cut out the fleshy part of the chicken. I prefer to use chicken chest because it has a lot of flesh. After cutting the fleshy part of the chicken chest, the next thing we're going to do is to dice the chicken into bits. We are doing this because this is a chicken curry sauce. It's not normal stew or normal sauce that we're preparing. And I would advise that you go for soft chicken or fryer. You call it fryer or broilers. Soft chicken basically. Don't buy old layers because old layers is usually hard. The next thing we're going to do is to season the chicken. So we're going to add the following seasoning powder to the chicken: curry, thyme, seasoning powder, salt, ginger powder and garlic powder. After adding these spices to the chicken, we're going to use our hand to stir it to mix it up together. After mixing it up together, we set it aside to marinate, and then we go ahead to cut our vegetables. The next thing we are going to be doing is to dice the vegetables. So we are going to be dicing the green bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper and onion as well. Don't forget to remove the seed from the bell pepper before cutting them. We are almost done dicing the red bell pepper, and then we move on to dicing the green bell pepper. Again, don't forget to remove the seed before dicing. The next thing you want to do is to dice your carrots. I prefer to have my carrots in rectangular or square shape. Some people prefer to have it in circle, and that's just preference, but I like my own to be in box form shape. Our vegetables are ready, and then I want to transfer them into a bowl. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to dice the spring onion. Recall that we are making use of both spring onion and the regular onion, that is the fleshy onion. So now I'm done with dicing the spring onion, and then I go ahead to dice the onion bulb. Now we want to make our chicken curry sauce. So the first thing we want to do is to place our cooking pot on the stove or gas cooker. Then pour vegetable oil into your frying pan. Pour the diced chicken, pour the diced onion and stir. You need to cook it on a low heat, and you need to continue to stir so that it doesn't get burnt. Please continue to stir till the chicken is properly cooked. Now that our chicken is well cooked, we're going to be taking it out of the oil and we're going to be setting it aside. In another pan, pour your vegetable oil and onion and stir for a few minutes. The next thing we're going to do is to go in with the chopped spring onion. We're going to pour it into the oil and then we're going to stir. Then we're going to pour in all the diced vegetables and allow it to cook for a few minutes. We're not going to overcook this. We're just going to stir it and allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, you are going to add a glass cup of water or 2 based on the quantity of the sauce you're preparing. And then you stir and cover. You allow it to cook for 2 minutes. The next thing we're going to be doing is to go in with the chicken. You don't want your sauce to be too dry because you're still going to put thickener, and then you need juice from the sauce. You don't want to just serve vegetables and chicken on your rice or spaghetti. So you can add more water when you deem fit. And now we are going in with the thickener. This is the corn flour that we already mixed with water. Please make sure it is smooth, like mix it till it is smooth before pouring it into your sauce, because you don't want anything that is not smooth or solid. You don't want it to affect the outcome of your sauce. And our sauce is almost ready. Our chicken curry sauce is almost ready. I did not add extra seasoning powder, curry or thyme to this sauce because I already added them adequately to the chicken before marinating. So you might want to test to be sure that it's okay, but be careful not to go overboard. So taste your sauce very well before adding additional seasoning powder so that you don't put too much into your sauce. Our sauce is ready and we are serving it with rice. You can take it with spa, you can take it with any other thing you deem fit. I hope you will try it and let me know how it go. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and when you try, drop a comment. I like to read from you. See you in my next video. Bye.